Hi everyone. In this video, we gonna see what are the mistake I made while the English learning. So don't make this kind of the mistake you as a beginner. Like why I am saying is the lot of the beginner there are the struggling to speak English. They don't know they have any the guidance. So please the watch the full video if the yeah, if it is yeah, you can easily understanding and also yeah, you can improve your communication skills. Like I'm doing the practice like every day. Before that I am translating the every word in my mother tongue to the English. So after that I realized don't do that the translating. If you're translating the everything in your mother tongue to English, it is the so much of the time wasting for that. If you while speaking the English only, you the flow only needed. So don't the translating the everywhere the English. So instead of you watch the English frequently so much of the word, you know, some of the movie you watching they are telling yeah he don't know so that means he doesn't know anything. So these are the simple sentence repeatedly you hear about that word. Yeah, you can understanding which word, which kind of the sentence you will be used for the reason. So no translating for your practicing the English. And also you should try the speaking practice because of I am also the initially I am not speaking the practice do that because of I am the fear about it or the mistake. If I made a mistake, so I'm speaking the wrong, so I'm not speaking the the practice like. So why I'm saying is yeah, it is a mistake is important. If you do the mistake after that you realize the guys, yeah, I do that mistake, so hereafter I am not doing any mistake. If you know practicing, you don't know the what are the mistake you are doing, so you don't know. No one in front of the helpful for you. So speak the practice. If you speaking the practice, yeah, you know your own mistake. After that, you realize it. Don't wait for the perfect time, guys. It is the never came. So do it yourself. Start now. It is the important. So if you do that mistake, it's okay, guys. Yeah, because of it, you know your ability. So try those kind of the mistake. After that, you realize yeah, you will simply improve your communication skills. And also, if you do any mistakes, so don't worry about that. And also, uh, the everyday on the 5 to 10 minutes, the practice is the must enough. I think, guys. I'm also beginner, you know. Now I am also as a beginner, but I am the practicing every day for that my documentary I post on the YouTube. It is the views going or not. I'm not expected that. So because of I in myself after in my future the what are the document I will see my the documentary session. Like if a future I watch these videos, so how I am the past there. After that I am comparing myself with me. So that is the one reason I am taking my videos. So if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel, and also if you need any topics I gonna speak, so please let me know in the comment section. I will do that. So if I any made a mistake, please let me know in the comment section. I will improve my communication skills. That feedback also important for guys for me. So thank you. We gonna see next video.